Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 1.3. Given the sets A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is 2, 4, 6 and C is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which of the following may be considered as universal sets or sets for all the three sets A, B and C? So let's know that first you need to understand a universal set is a set which will have all the elements of A, B and C. It can have additional elements, but the bare minimum it should have all the elements of A, B and C. So with that in mind, let's review through all the 4 subdivisions and see if they will match the criteria. Now you have 0 in the universal set, you have 0 in set C, so that is taken care of. I'm just going to strike out all the elements here just to see if it works or not. So here's 0 is there in the universal set, 1 is there in A, so that's also taken care of. 2 is there in B and in C, so that is also there in the universal set. In A there is a 3 and in B, okay, B and C it's not there, but it's there in the universal set. 4 is there in B and C, so that's also there in the universal set. 5 is there in A, which is there in the universal set. 6 is there in B and in C, so that's there. But what is missing is the element 8 from set C, which is not there in the first set. So this cannot be a universal set. So not universal is what I write. Now the second one is null set. Null set has none of these ones, so I can automatically say not a universal set. Now let's take the third one. So here 0 is there in set C, so that is taken care of. 1 is there in set A, that's taken care. 2 is there in both B and C, that's already recorded. A has 3, so that's noted. B and C has 4, so that is also there. A has 5, so that is also there in the universal set. B and C has 6, that is also there in the universal set. 7 is an extra number, that doesn't matter. 8 is there in set C, so it is there here also. 9, 10, 10s are additional numbers, that's okay to be there in the universal set. So this is a good universal set for the sets A, B and C. So this is a universal set. Now if you take the last subdivision, 1 is there in A, so that's accounted. 2 is there in C and B, that's also accounted. 3 is there in A, so that's done. 4 is there in B and in C, so that is also taken care. Then 5 is there in A, so that's recorded. 6 is there in both C and C, so that's also accounted. 7 is an additional number, doesn't matter. 8 is there in C, that's also there in the universal set. Everything is accounted except for the element 0 in set C. So this set will not be a good universal set. Why? Because the 0 is missing. So this will also be not a universal set. In the next video, we will find solutions for questions from exercise 1.4. See you in the next video. Bye.